Hey friends, I spilled a bunch of paper clips into our bin of pompoms. Let's put on our problem-solving hats and figure out what can help us pick up the paper clips quickly. Here are some tools that I think could help. Idea number 1, a shovel. Idea number 2, a magnet. Idea number 3, a vacuum. Which tool do you think will help us pick up the paper clips quickly? Let's experiment and see. First, let's try our trusty shovel to scoop up our paper clips. Well, we found some, but this seems like it's going to take some time. Second, let's try our magnet. Wow! Look at all the paper clips it picked up! That was so quick and clean! But we still have one more test to try. Third, the vacuum. Well, this certainly is picking up the paper clips, but it's also picking up the pom-poms. They just went from one bin to another. I think we have our winner for the quickest and cleanest paper clip pickup. Drum roll, please. The magnet. But why did the magnet work so well? Magnets are special tools. They pull and push things made of metal. That special force is called magnetism. Paper clips are made of metal. Pom-poms are not. So when the paper clips are buried in the pom-poms, the magnet can pull them up and out with ease. The shovel and vacuum technically work, but the magnet makes it so much quicker. Problem solved! Thanks for exploring with me, problem solvers. Until next time, keep on discovering.